Move the Tamtorque buckle underneath the screw. Using a special drill bit adapter, unscrew the clamp. Pass the tail of the clamp through the U-channel on your signpost or fixing and retighten the clamp using your drill. Pass through a couple of inches of the tail and then engage the Tamtorque buckle on about the 4th perforation. Carry on tightening and position if needs be, then tighten to the recommended working torque. Once completed, push the remaining excess through the Tamtorque buckle for a safe and neat installation.